The charter of our team is to explore new solutions, and Tulip was one of those solutions that really spoke to a lot of the pain points that we were seeing in our end users, in our plants, in our distribution centers.
Wir setzen Tulip eigentlich entlang der gesamten Wertschöpfungskette ein. Einsatzfälle im Bereich der Lieferanten, über Logistik, Wareneingang, Vormontage, Fertigung, Montage, Inbetriebnahme bis hin zum Service.
With Tulip, we managed to pilot and test solutions that we were then able to scale quickly to the entire shop floor.
One of the things I really enjoy about Tulip is their open platform. I often talk to my engineering group about the limitation isn't in the software, but it's really in your imagination.
Da kommen plötzlich Anwendungen oder technologische Lösungen hervor, von denen hat man vorher nicht geträumt. Aber es zeigt einfach auch, was Tulip als Tool ermöglichen kann und die Kreativität einfach in der Organisation freisetzen kann.
What I love about Tulip is it's really a blank canvas. It has a lot of flexibility. It gives us the opportunity to implement it almost anywhere in our facility.
Tulip has really created a massive link between the teams that we have. It's really helped bring everyone together. More of a camaraderie effect has come from it.
Tulip help us develop products more quickly, and then they allow us to develop a cleaner process and streamline the information flow, the communication, and how we build the product.
We see the Tulip use cases growing. Once people kind of see one solution on Tulip, we really see it organically grow within that site. People realize, oh, I could use Tulip for this, I could use Tulip for this as well.
You don't have to go to like 6 different vendors to get the solutions. You can do it all within Tulip.
We have so much data that we can analyze and predict how our process is going. We can catch errors or mistakes or defects much sooner in the process.
It allows us to make real-time decisions based on data that we're able to quickly pull, quickly analyze, and quickly isolate. And having that quick reaction time is key in today's production environment.